I only cook Thai food when you can cook like a Thai. Pradichaya Punyai. Pradichaya Punyai. Hey, hello there, Sawaddeeka. Pradichaya is here, and I really have no idea how this episode will turn out. I don't know if it's gonna be a full episode or just video shorts, just me chit-chatting with you over my lunch, breakfast. I don't know what it will be. You see that? That's fragrant jasmine rice topped with pork, jungle or white curry. I'm gonna be eating. If you haven't had breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever meal this falls on when you watch the video, oh please go get some and come back. Wow. Okay. I got all sort of Thai vegetables in here, and luckily, unlike yesteryears, all these familiar herbs and vegetables can be found in local Asian and Thai stores or other Southeast Asian stores. I like to say I apologize for the way I show up today because I want to have lunch with you. I want to eat and talk, carry a normal conversation. I wish you could be here talking to me. Well, Okay, let's get this over with. This curry was made of stinky beans or satar. Stinky beans look like this. See? Stinky bean. I don't know if I can show you this. Tiny little stemmy, shreddy things. This is chaom. Chaom, it has a name too. Maybe I should look it up. It's also stinky. This is the part of the young leaves or even young branch. You cannot eat the whole tree. You have to just get the very, very top young leaves on the branch or branch itself and pick on that. I grow my chaom plant. It can get big. I still haven't mastered the way I started out with a few of them. They kept dying on me. I have one left and there's no branch. I don't know what to do. Someone told me to pluck off all the old leaves and let it grow. I haven't done that. Okay, this is Thai eggplant. Part of it. It's raw and you see plenty of pictures if you're familiar with cooklikeathai.com or cooklikeathai.today. Also, I threw this in to break all the greens apart. Wah! I made a mess, sorry. Here. Oh, shoot. I have to get rid of that. That landed right on my pink pen. Darn! Here. That's bamboo. From the can that used to be in the back of this room. Except, what a mess. What a mess. I'm so sorry for my appearance. You know, this is going to be as comfortable as it gets because it's just me and you having conversation. If I'm going to come out and give you my prized possession, which is all that I know, all that I learned from my mom, who learned from my great-grandmother's cooking. If I'm going to do that, I may as well come out and be true because you will not be comfortable if you're not true to yourself. And if you're not true to yourself, you're not true to others. So this is me. This is me on my whatever. You know, it just today I just feel like I want to get comfortable. It's time. I've done enough videos. I talk a lot about how you must cook like a Thai. I just think you're ready for another step forward, which is really getting inside my head, my heart, everything. It means I show up as I am because everything that I know that I'm willingly handing over to you, it makes up of who I am. Or you can reverse that and say who I am is everything I know. I don't want you to be like me. You can if you want, but you don't have to be like me. You should be you. But what you will gain from this is you will be able to differentiate. You will have choices between the Thai food that you know from your local restaurant, wherever you are. I don't know whether you're in the United States, which is where I am, or in UK, in Australia, which is closer to Thailand. And I would hope Thai food is more real because it's closer. It's only, 8-hour flight. In Europe, in Asia, in Middle East, Mexico, in Canada, China, wherever you are, Thai food that you know is the only kind restaurants serve you, and they vary depend on their environment where they are. For example, you're not going to be able to grow lemongrass and wonderful herbs in your backyard if you in Sweden, Denmark, all those very cool countries. You just have to have them indoor. Things like kaffir limes. But then there's advantage of that because when you get your plants going, your plants will be larger and taste better, more medicinal value. Back to how the only Thai food you know is the food from restaurant. This is the thing. Yesterday, something happened to me that really jerked me, yanked me, not only to stop in place, but moving a few steps backward, stopped me midair. I was going along, doing things I think important for you, getting ready to offer those to you. But then someone stopped me from doing it and say, is this really what you want? What you, not me, what you want? Since you're the one, you go to your restaurants and you may say, hey, Thai restaurants are great. Why should I care to cook like a Thai? Why are you trying to push this idea on me? If I want to say pad Thai, like in Oxford Dictionary, why do you insist that I say pad Thai, like in the original Thai language? First, it really surprised me and not in such a good way. But then I had enough time to think things over and realize, no, I can't stop you and I won't stop you. There's no way. Everything is a choice. A choice to go enjoy Thai restaurant version of Thai food. Over here, I call it American Thai versions, or you can be anywhere. Swedish Thai version, Japan Thai version, Taiwan Thai, whatever, or Mexican Thai version, Canadian. I don't need to go on, right? You have your own versions and it's convenient. All you need is money. You can just go and enjoy and enjoy your way. But what you don't know is out there in the world, especially in Thailand, in Bangkok, and various places, private places in the world that belong to the Thai people, meaning their homes, that there are real Thai cooking, authentic Thai cooking going on in their kitchens. And that's the type of Thai food that I don't want. I feel that it's not right. It's not that Thai people only want to keep Thai food to themselves, make Thai food their own personal thing, their connection to Thailand. But a lot of Thai people have tendency to go along and they don't want you to be confused or even annoyed that they insist that Thai food is different. And I guess I'm the only one who's different here. I'm strange that way. I feel that if we have the knowledge of what Thai food is really like for Thai people, we can share this knowledge too, because you should be able to pick and choose. Hey, maybe you try true Thai food, like cook like a Thai, and you say you like restaurant Thai food more, then that's fine. So go enjoy restaurant Thai food more. I won't make you feel badly about that, because why? It's your choice. If you say you cook Thai food, hold on. If you say you want to cook pad Thai, no, you will say pad Thai. If you want to cook pad Thai, and you're happy enough with the pad Thai sauce a variety of them actually, that you see on your local store shelves. If you buy it, you try it, you like it, even cook it with chicken or beef or, whatever, then okay. If that pleases you, then go ahead, enjoy it. It's really okay. For me, I'm here in my own little corner, maybe in the dark alley, saying that, okay, so here I am. If you at some point want to try something different, something new, and you want to cook the same Thai food that I cook, other Thai people all over the world cook, then yeah, I'm right here in this corner. This is my shop, and it's called Cook Like a Thai. Cook Like a Thai today. Yeah, I'm here as a choice. It's like the bell rang in my head. Ding, 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 ding. What I know is good for you isn't necessary. What you know is good for you. So, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But I can share with you though my experience cooking Thai food the way I cook like a Thai, the way Thai people cook. And I can also share some restaurant experience or off the shelf can and jar pre-mixed stuff. Those experience with you. I mean, I don't know. You take it however you take it. You can say, oh, I'm not going to be fair because I want you to cook like me. Enroll in my courses or whatever. I can tell you now, I'm just going to give you things as they are, as I see them. And don't forget, it is my experience plus my knowledge and skills in Thai cooking. Also, I need to remind you, it's my opinion. My opinion only. I mean, I can say, oh gosh, this brand or even the whole store shelves are so unhealthy for you, can even be harmful because they hold a lot of preservatives in them. They have to. How do you think that they take them across the sea, across the country and deliver them to the stores? You know, they got the whole preservatives. Of course, I mean, that's going to be unhealthy and harmful versus fresh ingredients you buy or grow in your backyard and whip up together and create a true Thai food. So this is a plus. This has the advantage. Still, you can still think it's my opinion because it is my opinion. You don't have to like what I like. We know that, and I hope I don't have to keep stressing that. I'm speaking freely, and you are too. Thinking freely. So it's a choice. I can only do my best to represent Thai food and hope that you will at some point want to cook Thai food the way Thai people do. And I don't mean day to day, and I don't mean every time you have craving for pad Thai, you gonna prep 32 ingredients. Or I don't know how many, it's just so many ingredients. That will take time and more attention. Of course, it will be so rewarding because it will be so yummy. It'll be so good. And you know that those ingredients you put in there, you control the quality, you control the health aspect. So if it's harmful, it's going to be less harmful, a lot less harmful, right? More healthy than those that you acquire outside your own kitchen. But then if you think, gosh, I don't want to take 2 days to prep, you can choose to go to the store and get ready-made sauce. That's your choice. Maybe you like that more. So instead of 2 days, exaggerating, it depends on how much you want to do. There are ways to make it 2 hours. Can't go less than that. If you think it will take only 20 minutes to whip up pad Thai or pad Thai from the bottle from the store, then if you're happy with that, that's wonderful. Also, if you want to go out and eat at really nice Thai fine dining, spend 25 on pad Thai. Okay, make it cheap, 17. If you go less than that, do take out. It's got to be expensive. It has shrimp in it. Big shrimp. I'm just thinking, if you're happy with that, okay with the fact that they mix everything and don't allow you to make it your own by adding your preferred flavors on it, then that's okay. They're doing a good job for what they're doing. And if you love it, you love it. I have no complaint. These are all choices. So if one day you think you want to get pad Thai from me, you want me to teach you how a true Thai does it, but not in such a painful way. A painful way would be doing everything, making every ingredient, as many as you can. No, I don't do that. I simplify it. My main thing is health. So I'm aware and I will simplify in such a way that you won't take too long making it and you will make it so super delicious. And on top of that, everyone who will enjoy from this batch of pad Thai can add their own flavors to it, can make it their own by using this more, using this less, not using this at all. Those are all choices. If you go to restaurants, you will notice that they all taste the same and they're led by sweetness. You know, true pad thai is no sweetness. It's a choice, so I'm telling you. I'm saying pad thai because it's the most popular thing. Everyone knows pad thai. And I think a lot of people probably want to know how to cook pad thai at home. That's not. It's only fair that you have this option of my little cook like a Thai today corner. Just go find me. I'm in this alley in the corner. I think that it's also fair that you can do whatever you want. So, when my offer fits your desire, come to me. Cook like a Thai today. Cook like a Thai today. Okay, I got some freebie for you though. So whether you want to cook like a Thai or not, but you love Tom Yum Goong and you want to know, you want to have an idea what goes in it, then I have a freebie for you. It's something that I value very highly because it's from my great-grandmother. It's a family recipe. My mom revised it and taught me. That recipe is my own version now of the original Tom Yum Goong. I'm willing to gifting it to you. I'm going to give it to you. But it's not just the recipe. You're going to get a recipe which you can download, but you will also get my video trainings. There are a couple of videos, I'm not sure, and there's some follow-up. You're going to get a few emails from me, one at a time. And some of you may just opt in to take the recipe, but you will maximize your learning, your benefit from cooking a perfect Tom Yum Goong if you just let all the emails run their own course and watch my trainings, hone your skill by actually taking the recipe and what you learn from the trainings and make your own Tom Yum Goong to see if it works. If it works, you have in your knowledge base and your skill how to make the original, authentic Tom Yum Goong. But if it doesn't work, then you can figure out with me. You can always write me. We can figure out together what is it that goes a little sideways and how you can fix it so you can perfect your Tom Yum Goong skill. So what's in it for me? What's in it for me is the reward. Knowing yet another person who is not Thai, even a Thai, will gain this knowledge of cooking Tom Yum Goong, my great-grandmother's recipe, like a Thai. Like a Thai. And if you're Thai, you're welcome to be here too. We should figure out how to maintain, preserve, and make cook like a Thai better. Yeah, that doesn't sound right, but you know, it will work out. You'll understand. I have a weird way of thinking. So, yeah, take my gift. Take my gift is free, no attachment. Hopefully, I'll see you on the other side. And yeah, will you keep in touch? Please, you will access my personal email. So, stay in touch. Let me know how you're doing with Tom Yum Goong. Alright? Thank you, ka. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ Sawaddeeka. I'm gonna finish my curry, which is now cold. I probably have to pop it in the microwave. Bye-bye. Have a great cook like a Thai day.